Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for Libra and what's going on? Eight of Cups, the Lovers and King of Cups. Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands and the Hangman. Five of Swords under the deck. There are some disturbances between you and your person right now. There is some backstabbing. Your person played games with you, maybe manipulation, third party situation, cheated on you, lied to you. For some disturbances, misunderstandings also. There is something going between you and your person. So let's see your reading, Libra. Your recent past, Eight of Cups, the Lovers with King of Cups. So you walked away from this connection. Eight of Cups, you decided to leave behind everything which doesn't serve you anymore, who doesn't serve you anymore, because you invested a lot in this connection, but your person may be not available to you emotionally when you want them, when you need them, because see, you decided to move on from this person. For some it could be third party situation also, but you decided to move on, but still you also have some love towards this person, because the Lovers card is here. There is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. King of Cups, someone is returning. Maybe it could be your past person. For some it could be a new person, depends on your situation. But for some already this person is approached you because this was in past. For some, if not, in near future. But this person have so much love for you, this they want to offer this love. Okay, after your person current feelings and action, then we will decide who's this person is. Okay, and present, Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands and the Hanged Man. You are in still confusion state, Libra, because you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. Nine of Swords energy, especially when you are alone, you are getting a lot of thoughts. Nine of Swords, you are in anxiety, depression type, but there is some communication is coming towards you. Lots of communication, back and forth communication, but still you are stuck on your person, thinking about them a lot. In future, the World, Wheel of Fortune and Page of Wands, things are turning out into your favor. And the World, yeah, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again, this causing these thoughts to you, and you decided to move on. Okay, because this creates a lot of resistance in this connection, but things are moving, turning into your favor, and some positive shifts are also coming. Page of Wands, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Maybe your person is immature and they want to send some message, communication. You will receive communication. I think communication is the key here, because Eight of Wands, there is some positive shifts and lots of communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity, and we know that King of Cups is, then we know King of Cups is past person or a new person. The Chariot, your person thinking to come towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. Who is King of Cups is here? So let's see your person current feelings, Libra. Eight of Cups, again Eight of Cups, Page of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. They think about you that you are very giving and caring person. Maybe now you are concentrating on your career, Libra. Maybe they're thinking about you like this. And Nine of Cups, definitely they're wishing for this connection. And Eight of Cups, one person is walked away from this connection, maybe you, that's why they're thinking about you, that you walked away from them. And Page of Swords, they're spying on you, they're stalking on you on social media, a lot of spying is going. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Libra, your person near future actions. Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and Ten of Wands. Under the deck, Judgment. They're going to be make some major decision regarding this connection. And Nine of Pentacles energy, your person is already financially stable. And a Knight of Pentacles, they decided to come back, but it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, I think King of Cups is your person. After you walked away, then they realize you both, they decided to come back here. And Ten of Wands, but your person is busy right now in near future. Maybe they feeling overburdened due to family or work responsibilities, but they're going to be make their mind before coming towards you. There is some major decision making in your person's life, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of water energy and earth energy are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. So the King of Cups, for some it could be new, for some it could be past, depend upon on your situation. But these are your current person feelings and actions. Yeah, they decided to come back, but taking it very slow. Yeah, Knight of Swords and Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you. And see, under the deck, Six of Pentacles, there is no equal give and take in past. Now your person want to offer equal give and take. And they are rushing towards you to talk with you and to fix the things. Because you decided to move on, but they are coming back to fix the things. Yeah, Knight of Swords. They are coming. They're rushing. Yeah, with an apology. They're coming back with an apology. They're rushing to talk with you. They are in rush. Libra. And apology is also coming. Maybe your person is immature. Pages are always immature. Yeah, they want reconciliation, reunion, but there is some drama is going between you and your person. Maybe your person is fighting for your attention. You are not giving any attention to them. You are concentrating on your career for some. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation. They're rushing towards you, but they're taking it very slow. Maybe it will take some time to approach you, but they will, because Page of Cups, apology, and a Knight of Swords. They're rushing to communicate with you, and for some, the separation had happened between both of you. The reason is third party situation for some. Yeah, there will be reunion in for some, because Three of Cups is here, mutual card. You both want reconciliation. Again, Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take, but your person wants to offer equal give and take. So let's see your overall energy, Libra, for the month. You are getting success for your hard work. You are obsessed with your person. Maybe your person obsessed with you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Yeah, you are trusting your intuition. You are waiting for your person to come back. There is some waiting. Maybe you invested your money in some businesses and waiting for the result. Trust your intuition always. So let's see your person overall energy for the month, Libra. Four of Pentacles, Page of Cups, again Page of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Fool. They really want to offer brand new beginnings. They want to take leap of faith, and they're very passionate about you. Page of Cups. They want to apologize you. Maybe in past they're holding back. Maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you, but now they're coming back with an apology, and they're very passionate about you. They want new beginnings, and they want to take leap of faith. They want brand new beginnings. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. A new romantic cycle begins, especially when new moon in Libra. It's your reading and it's your card. So yeah, there will be reconciliation for some, and a new romantic cycle is begins. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.